Um, I guess this would be day zero of your ARM updates, but basically I'm making an interface for now, at least until I have the ARM itself. That way when I do have the ARM, I can actually modify all the variables and stuff. Because I don't really like using the terminal to do that. So here's what I have. So the plan is I'm gonna have each box here represent a subsystem, and there's gonna be like 5 boxes, maybe 6, one for each subsystem. So one would be claw, then like the forearm, then the shoulder, oh, and the wrist, and then the turret. And then in the middle, I want to have the camera, and at the top, I want to have the robot itself, like the entire system and its status and all that stuff. But yeah, for now, I've created this system. So I have this claw subsystem here. I probably should bold this text so you know it's like a title, but whatever. And this, when I click on this, I can change the state. This green text here, I'm calling it telemetry. It's basically a box of just status stuff. So with the claw, it can have its state being open or closed. Then this is the motor data, like position, amperage, power, and then target position too. Since I know you can set its position, but that doesn't actually mean it's actually at that position yet. It has to reach it. So, but yeah. Um, and I can make a box of these for each subsystem. Like I have each of these frames here as like a generic class. I call it subsystem GUI. And so I can just make another subsystem GUI for the wrist, for the whatever, right? So, and my original design on here was like this. It's not perfect, but this is a rough sketch. So for the other subsystems, since I know they're not just binary on or off kind of thing, I was thinking I could have like up and down for the wrist and stuff like that, just so we can control it. But in the future, what I want to have is basically this won't you won't use this to actually change the states. Instead, you could use a controller, or it would just do it on its own. Like you just turn the robot on or the robot off, and then it will automatically do whatever it needs to do. The plan is to eventually add a camera so that it can detect and pick up pieces. So yeah, this is day zero, I guess. I have 30 minutes to spare. Oh yeah.